Kody Brown,
everyone, welcome
the
to my
patriarch
channel,
of Sister
SW
Wives,
Metro official
is attempting
channel.
to reach viewers in a different way. Kody Brown, the patriarch of Sister Wives, is attempting to reach viewers in a whole different way by portraying himself as the victim of the family through his emotions, but this won't sit well with devoted followers. Viewers have had the chance to learn about Kody in a variety of contexts and stages of his life during the course of Sister Wives. In certain situations, Kody's incapacity to navigate his connections without ruining those who interact with him has been interesting. In other situations, he is causing his family a great deal of distress. As Sister Wives Season 19 reveals yet another aspect of Kody's challenging nature, it is evident that the patriarch of the family has been making every effort to win over the show's viewers. It has become evident that the patriarch wishes to mend Kody's reputation after years of hearing about his negative traits from his ex-wives Christine Brown, Janelle Brown, and Mary Brown, as well as from his wife Robyn Brown about some of his terrible behavior. Regretfully, Kody's attempts to sway the scales are less grounded in truth than the initial comments he received, which greatly alarmed him. Kody has been open about the fact that he has learnt more about his emotions that are lying beneath the surface as he has progressed through the most current season of Sister Wives. He has been attempting to give the impression that he is also responsible for these feelings by labeling them and revealing that he has been deceived, upset, overwhelmed, and so forth. Kody thinks he can express his feelings and, in the end, blame someone else for his feelings, particularly if they are more challenging to manage. Observing Kody's declarations has been challenging, particularly in light of his prior actions. For most of Sister Wives Season 19, Kody has been trying to explain himself in a way that will let the public to accept him in some way. Even though Kody has made it obvious that he doesn't want to upset his ex-wives, he continues to disparage their lives, their choices to end their marriages, and the way his ex-partners talk negatively about him to their children. Instead of just admitting that he has harmed others, Kody has made it apparent that other people have harmed him more during their many years of dating without taking responsibility for his actions. Talking about Kody's behavior has been easier and harder since his character has been questioned repeatedly on Sister Wives and in the fandom. It has been simpler to discuss Kody's prior behavior in part because he readily expresses his concerns, explains it, and makes references to it. Even if he doesn't always understand what he's doing, Kody has made it clear that he doesn't want to be perceived as weak by the show's devoted audience or as someone who is easily abandoned. However, after honestly confronting Kody's actions over the years, talking about his behavior has become much more challenging. Prior to Christine's departure from him in Sister Wives Season 17, Kody made it apparent that he had previously made his wives' lives tough. Kody has been honest about how much Christine's betrayal upset him, but his weddings to Mary, Janelle, and her were just a way for him to feel like he was married to multiple people without respecting their tenets. Although Kody has been forthright about his shortcomings, his candor is insufficient to gain pardon. The majority of Sister Wives watchers are able to perceive that Kody is making things worse rather than better, even though some find it hard to see above the cloud he creates over each show. For years, Kody's actions have been painful to witness, but it won't assist the cause to hear him justify his juvenile, self-centered, or otherwise disrespectful behavior towards his wives throughout the course of their decades together. Rather, Kody is allowing Sister Wives viewers to go into his head without realizing that they already know why he does it. Although it has been challenging to investigate Kody's behavior, it is easy to see that he is in charge. Kody has repeatedly demonstrated that he is in control and has been seeking further authority over his ex-partners and current wife, while the Sister Wives patriarch has been attempting to portray himself as a victim who has been used. Although Kody is acting like a villain while posing as the victim, Sister Wives viewers haven't been duped by his attempts to pass for the victim. As most Sister Wives viewers know, Kody has always been the show's antagonist. Regarding the heinous manner he has handled any of his wife, his children, or the show's audience, he is in no way the victim. Throughout the years of the show, Kody has tried to make his time with his family appear to be something it isn't by packing a falsehood so strong that it has been suppressed. For years, Kody has concealed the reality that he has been harmed by others rather than being open about the difficulties he was having as a husband and father. Kody has been controlling his family for longer than he probably wants to acknowledge, hiding his suffering to appear like a stronger man. Even though Kody has made the decision to explain that he was hurt, irritated, or overwhelmed by the behavior of others 30 years after attempting multiple marriages, he hasn't been able to locate himself in any way portrayed as the victim. Rather, Kody has consistently been portrayed as the antagonist that he is. Viewers of Sister Wives have demanded accountability for Kody's conduct and have refused to let him off the hook so easy. During her 2025 detox, Sister Wives star Janelle Brown reveals a new relationship with her late son and announces her departure from the show. In the midst of her recently announced 2025 detox and speculation that she would be quitting Sister Wives, Janelle Brown talked about a new bond she has with her late son Garrison Brown. Sister Wives Season 19 has been revealing more about the family's split throughout the season, even though it hasn't yet addressed the heartbreaking death of Janelle and Kody Brown's son Garrison. Even though Sister Wives is aware that Janelle has successfully relocated to North Carolina and is currently managing the startup of her new company, Tata Farms, the show still features the behind-the-scenes footage of her move in recent episodes. Janelle recently transported her late son Garrison's truck to North Carolina after he passed away, she revealed in an Instagram post detailing her trip. When Garrison moved to Flagstaff, he purchased this truck, she said. I feel closer to both of my boys, especially Garrison, because of it. Bringing Garrison's truck home to North Carolina was a significant event for Janelle, who decided to drive it after her son Gabe Brown had been using it for a while. The truck is worth more than she could ever recoup from trading it in, she revealed. What Janelle's road trip signifies for her relationship with her children. It was a bittersweet moment for Janelle, a mother of 6, when she decided to take a road trip in Garrison's truck, which had briefly belonged to Gabe, to get to her new home in North Carolina. Janelle has been honest about how she's been enjoying her time and trying her best to deal with her loss since she moved away from some of her kids to be nearer to others. Making the decision to bring Garrison's vehicle home with her is similar to having a memento of her kid that she can use every day to remember him. Janelle is making every effort to ensure that her children on the West Coast are connected and consistent, even when she may not be physically present with them. Janelle has stated that she wants to proceed with her life in a different direction than she was previously taking, and understanding how difficult it was to lose Garrison has helped her put things in perspective. Janelle prioritizes her family and herself, and she has made it plain that she wants to do everything in her power to keep her kids safe and communicate with her. In recent years, Janelle's connection with Sister Wives has undergone significant shift, despite her prior enjoyment of sharing on the show. She has been candid about the fact that, although she enjoys sharing her life and keeping viewers informed on her happenings, she has occasionally found it difficult to handle some of the series' seemingly insignificant drama, particularly with Garrison's death still fresh in her mind. As the show's future is being questioned, Janelle could be better off keeping herself grounded away from the Sister Wives cameras. Sister Wives. After denying child support for real, Kody Brown was spotted having fun with Robyn in Vegas. Kody Brown, star of Sister Wives, was seen in Vegas with Robyn Brown, his lone surviving wife. They were seen having a good time and partying together. In court, Kody and Christine have been at odds about Truly's child support. He was not required to provide his older children with any financial assistance. However, Truly, the reality TV star's daughter, is still underage. Since Kody's name wasn't on her birth certificate, Christine was able to avoid requiring him to pay child support when they separated. She made the decision to organize herself before defending her daughter's rights. In order to establish Kody's paternity and request child support, Christine filed a case in court. Kody has been spotted sobbing over his money throughout the years. Is he lying about his financial situation in order to get out of paying Truly's child support? The significance of Robyn and Kody's most recent vacation to Vegas. Sister Wives. Kody's remark about child support outraged fans. Kody Brown, star of Sister Wives, has a knack for annoying his fans. He frequently makes contentious remarks that get him into trouble. When the TLC personality expressed his opinions on child support, he did it once more. He recently talked about how Janelle would get him into trouble. A Redditor posted a video of him with the caption, "Do you feel like child support is taking advantage of you? This man is crazy." Kody got the impression from it that Janelle always considers hurting him. You could come off after me over alimony and child support or anything else, he said. The reality TV personality believed that Janelle would stop at nothing to ruin his life. Fans therefore criticized Kody for not feeling compelled to contribute to his kid's future. Fans, however, are not yet prepared to accept his statements on his financial situation. A Redditor recently posted a video showing Robyn and Kody strolling hand in hand through the streets of Las Vegas. Kody and Robyn were seen gambling in Vegas for the third time in 3 months when he claimed he couldn't really afford child support, the original poster said. Robyn and Kody were spending the night together and gambling at the Sphere. As a result, Kody was criticized by the Opie for gambling 3 times in 3 months. Despite saying he has no money for child support, they have also purchased a brand new, enormous home together. One commenter questioned whether Robyn and Kody had developed a gambling addiction. He's literally looking around for people to recognize him, another fan added. Additionally, some people believed that Robyn and Kody shouldn't frequently leave their children unaccompanied. How do you feel about Kody and Robyn's most recent trip to Vegas? Tell us what you think about his refusal to pay child support. Kody Brown, the patriarch of the polygamous Brown family from TLC's hit reality show Sister Wives, has been a polarizing figure. His unconventional lifestyle, relationship struggles, and evolving family dynamic have kept viewers hooked since the show's debut in 2010. However, in recent seasons, Kody has faced increasing criticism from fans. As his marriages unraveled and his leadership style was called into question, the once charismatic patriarch found himself losing favor with the audience. Now, in a bid to reclaim his image and connect with viewers in a new way, Kody appears to be adopting a different approach. Whether it's a genuine change or a strategic move to salvage his reputation, his recent behavior suggests he is actively trying to reshape how fans perceive him. This article explores Kody Brown's shifting public persona, his attempts to appeal to the audience, and whether his efforts are working. The downfall of Kody Brown's public image. In the early seasons of Sister Wives, Kody was portrayed as an energetic, charming, and fun-loving husband who juggled the complexities of polygamy with enthusiasm. His 4 wives, Mary Brown, Janelle Brown, Christine Brown, and Robyn Brown, each had unique personalities, and the show highlighted their attempts to make plural marriage work. Kody seemed to be the glue holding the family together, and while there were struggles, the Browns initially presented themselves as a united front. However, over the years, cracks in the family structure became more apparent. The COVID-19 pandemic in particular exposed deep divisions, with Kody imposing strict rules that some of his wives and children found unreasonable. His strained relationship with Janelle's sons, Gabriel and Garrison, only added to the turmoil. Perhaps the biggest turning point in Kody's public downfall was Christine's departure from the marriage in 2021. She was the first wife to leave him, and her decision sparked widespread support from fans. Christine's confidence, happiness, and newfound independence made her a fan favorite, while Kody's reaction, blaming her and refusing to take responsibility, painted him in a negative light. Since Christine's exit, Janelle also left the marriage, and Mary finally acknowledged that her relationship with Kody had long been over. With only Robyn remaining, Kody's polygamous lifestyle crumbled, and he became more isolated, leading to a noticeable shift in how he presents himself on screen. Kody's new strategy: shifting the narrative. Faced with backlash, Kody Brown appears to be employing a new strategy to win back viewers. His efforts can be categorized into several key areas. 1. Playing the victim. In recent episodes, Kody has leaned into the narrative that he is the one suffering the most from the family breakdown. He has portrayed himself as a misunderstood father and husband who gave his all to a plural marriage, only to be betrayed by his wives. This tactic is an attempt to garner sympathy from viewers, shifting some of the blame away from his actions. During Sister Wives Season 18, Kody repeatedly expressed feelings of loss and devastation, describing himself as a broken man. While some fans sympathize, many others see it as an attempt to avoid accountability. 2. Trying to be more relatable. Kody has also been making an effort to appear more relatable. He has spoken about his struggles with depression and loneliness, emotions that many viewers can connect with. By emphasizing his emotional pain, He hopes to humanize himself and shift away from the villain image that has dominated the last few seasons. In confessionals, Kody has even admitted to questioning his choices and expressing regret over how he handled certain situations. This self-reflection, whether genuine or performative, is a stark contrast to his previous stance of absolute certainty in his decisions. 3. Softening his approach to leadership. One of the biggest complaints about Kody from both his wives and